In a vast evolving industrial world, the challenges in mapping, surveillance, logistics, and inspections are becoming increasingly complex and demand more effective and efficient solutions. Focus on innovations, Beehive Drones comes with advanced drone technology that drives efficiency and productivity, providing tangible benefits to a wide range of conventional industries. From data acquisitions technology up to advanced drones, autonomous systems, sensors, IoT, and AI, Beehive Drones integrates cutting-edge innovations to deliver optimal solutions for logistics, mapping, surveillance, and inspection. With ISO 9001-2015 certified standards, every product is designed, manufactured, and tested with precision to ensure the best quality and reliability, to provide maximum customer satisfaction. Beehive Drones keeps innovating through research and development, exploring diverse drones applications, including underwater drones, swarm drones, and military drones. With cutting-edge technology developed by our nation's talent, Beehive Drones deliver optimal solutions for the forestry, agriculture, mining, constructions, and defense industries, are proud reflections of Indonesia's creativity and innovations. Beehive Drones, redefining the possibilities.